Tell them what you just said. What did you say?
Yeah.
Really? What else? Oh, baby, what else? Did you say, I love you? Uh-oh. I get it. Shake it. You want to play it? You want to play a song on your egg shaker? Uh-oh. Butterfingers? Man. Must have too much drool on your hands. That sounds good. Keep shaking it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. You want to play the tambourine? Here. Let's play this tambourine. Here, take your drumstick. Don't poke your eye out. Want to play this? You play the tambourine with your drumstick? Here, I'll hold it for you. Oh, there you go. Except they can't see. Yeah. That's really good, buddy. Sounds really good. Hit it with the stick, like a drum. There you go. Here, we need to get a taller chair so you can actually see what's going on. There you go. There it is. Oh. Hit it. You want to hit the tambourine? That's really good. You're doing really good. Oh, you're gonna sing too? Singing and playing the drums? It's crazy. You're so good. That's awesome, baby. You did good.